Good afternoon, students, and welcome to the channel. Children, today it was Mathematics Standard and Basic Examination of Class 10 CBSE. Though Punjab board is also sailing on the same board, but I'm much concerned about CBSE that our students gave the feedback that standard paper was comparatively easier than the basic. Uh, Now it is a gone story. Whatever problems are there, whatever mistakes or new things you have learned because you had appeared in the board exam for the very first time, you can take it as an improvement examination which will be in the next coming months. आज आपने बहुत कुछ नया देखा होगा, बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा, बहुत कुछ आपको नया महसूस हुआ होगा, पहली बार आप बोर्ड का पेपर दे रहे हैं, तो टेक इट एज अ लेसन फॉर लाइफ एंड बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द कमिंग एग्जाम्स. अगर आपको आज लगता है कि मुझसे ये गलती हो गई या मैं ये बेहतर कर सकता था या टाइम मैनेजमेंट की प्रॉब्लम थी, this you can improve in the coming exam if you want, if you're really concerned with the marks and your scoreboard. Coming examination would be either multimedia, plus 2 is physical education, then next to that is English language and literature. Now the days are on and हम आपको कुछ नहीं कह सकते हैं सिवाय blessings के और जो भी हमारे मन में बात है, because we have got a lot of experience of 10 to 12 years or 15 years of board examination, but you people are appearing for the first time. तो OMR शीट से कहानी शुरू होती है. It all starts with OMR sheet, filling the sheet in 1 crore, 31,000, 35 lakhs. This is very important. आज जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा उसमें भी चाहे बच्चों को प्रैक्टिस करवाई गई थी, still lot of blunders, lot of mistakes were there. Your teachers might have told you that whiteners and erasers are not allowed on the OMR sheet. Still, but a lot of mistakes were there. I had been and I am the part of board examination since years. So every year we get a new experience that some of the students have even signed on the space which is given for the assistant superintendent. So this much of careless attitude of the students, please take care in future. God bless you and thank you for watching.